Hi guys, welcome to my new channel. So the other channel got issues, guys. If you still want to learn as you earn, make sure you follow this channel. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, and you can share. Make sure you turn the notification bell. So being this is the first video, guys, make sure you join immediately. If you haven't joined Sector Zone Network or you've never heard of it, make sure you join. I'm going to put the link and the code on the comment section. Make sure you join us up. So what's up, everyone? My name is Cynthia, and you are all welcome. Remember, we also have our WhatsApp group. Those people who are watching from my other channel, we have WhatsApp group with over 500 members. Make sure you join too for more updates. Okay, so that is where I normally give updates when things are tough like this. Yes, you heard me right. So everyone, let me just do a short introduction. And if you register, you're gonna download this app. I've said the link will be on the comment section plus the code. Make sure you use the code to get some bonus. Right now we have the coin and the token. So the token is this one, guys. The major coin is this one. Then they have their own coin. Okay. The coin is this one. This is the coin, and this is the token of the app. Make sure you join as early as now, guys. Imagine, I just noticed yesterday that they have reduced the bonuses. So after joining, you will be able to see your wallet here, then about you here. Okay, so this is my wallet right now. You can see what I have down here. You can see everything. Okay, you can see what I have down here. Oh, my battery is going down. Yeah. So guys, make sure you can see the balance. I have ZTR and ZTC. Okay, so Zetro network, so meaning ZTR is the network, this app coin, then ZTC is just a token. So make sure you get it as early as now. Imagine the people who joined. I joined when it was first launched, but I got relaxed. So imagine they have reduced the earnings because many people are joining, and this coin is going to be so good, guys. Join as early as now. Those people who are joining and asking for withdrawal immediately, my dear, this is not a get rich quick like the thing. Like, you have to take your time, wait for the coin until they actually, the coin and the token, they are not launched, and the app is still on the mining. Yeah, they have not launched the coin, but this is the early stage. Make sure you join as early as now, because imagine they have already started reducing the the earnings. So they have ads. If you tap down there, you watch ad, then you see you get 5 questions. So you just read and do next until they are 5. You see, how satisfied are you with? Okay, you can see. Wait, mama, I'm almost done. You see, claim reward. So even here, they used to give, you see, it is now 1.5 ZTC. They used to give 5 ZTC. They have reduced. So you see, my mining is active. So you have to mine 2 token, the token plus the coin at a go. Like, you can see, here is where you will be. If you want to start mining, you click on this place for this. So you have to do the same thing on the 2. Mine is active. You see, it's active, it's running. So you click on mine or activate. Then after that, you can boost. Before, they were allowing even up to 10. So right now they have reduced many things. If you click on boost, does it mean that these people have removed the boost option, or what am I saying? Okay, I think my limit reached. Yesterday, my limit reached. I'm still having like 16 minutes, 17 minutes for me to have limit. Imagine before they didn't put the limits. You were just getting like 2 ZTR 5 ZTC anytime you watch ad for 30 seconds. So they have reduced many things, guys. They have reduced a lot. So make sure you join. Make sure you join. Joining is so simple. You can see we have people. How many people have joined? Total ZTR Mind 315k, and this one total is 1 million ZTC. Make sure you join, guys. Make sure you join. Make sure you join. You can see people who are up. These ones are per 24 hours. You can see everything and all that. Okay, so it is so simple, guys. Make sure you join. If you want to go for questions and add more, you click on that circle. Princess, what's wrong with you? This baby is taking my phone. She's taking my phone away from me. Okay, so guys, I think you guys, you've heard what I'm saying. I wish you all the best. Make sure you join. All these things I'm giving out are legit. Join. Those you people with bad energy, please, you better not follow me and leave my channel.